Hey guys, so this is what you get in the box here. So you get your filter. Make sure you put your filter back in the way that you pulled it out, and always replace your ring. So make sure your filter comes with the ring, and it should. So in the 2013 Jeep Wrangler style, let's show you guys where it's at. All right, so if you have a 2013 Jeep Wrangler year style, you're probably gonna have that heat shield on the top. You can go ahead and pop that off. And right here is your oil filter. So they make it super easy on your Jeep Wrangler. So right in here, now make sure you drain your oil first before you replace the filter, obviously. And that's located underneath your vehicle. So under your Jeep Wrangler, right here is gonna be your drain plug for the oil. So you wanna drain your oil first before you change the filter. Once it's completely drained, then go ahead and change your filter.